video is not intended for minors. This video is intended for adults 18 and above. Anything you see in this video, do not attempt or do not try at home without adult supervision if you are under the age of 18. If you're over the age of 18, still use caution and common sense. Thank you. The products you see in this video are not sponsored. They are products that I've bought myself and used and found them to be likable. So I'm sharing them with you in case you want to buy the product and use it yourself. Thank you. I have one of these. It's a random orbit sander that's better than this one. It's a Bosch, but the sticky pad, it's not sticky no more. And this.
Well, you can order the sticky pad.
I tried.
Well, you can find it. Okay.
So we got this Deko rambling orbit sander, moves more than this one. This one moves not like that. Now this is the what grit this is. I think I'm on 120 already.
Put more glue. Is this a good sander? He got another one of that is bush, but this part here is missing up already and he can't find a replacement. So he ordered this one. He got this one.
Where?
Yeah, that one.
Time is a small. But if anyone would like to sponsor my channel, I would gladly accept their sponsorship, and I would gladly do a review on any product or item that is sent to me. Again, thank you very much for watching the channel.